So starting the test drive in this ESV Luxury, I really like how the Escalades ride, especially with the air suspension, magnetic ride control. It just makes for a fantastic ride, which these, without those amenities, already ride very well. This just takes it up a notch, I think. You won't miss it if you've never had it, but once you have it, you can tell the difference. And the air ride and the mag ride just, again, they make for a very plush ride overall. Now I'm going to change my drive modes. You can see over here you have Tour Sport, Off-Road, Tow Haul, and My Mode. Since this one has almost 600 miles on it, I'm going to give it a little something. Usually I don't like to really push these hard, because when I'm reviewing a new one, it's got 3 or 5 miles on it, so I don't want to, burn the tires off. But here, this will be good enough for the break-in period. Again, I'm not going to floor it. Here we go. So that was pretty effortless, very impressive. But I want to give one more thanks to Cadillac of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Escalade ESV today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But the Super Cruise, absolutely great. And I love having the AR camera here too, where you can kind of see what's going on there. And you want to keep your eyes on the road, but it's nice to have like a picture there as well as be able to see out the front. But I mean, this system is great. The ride here is fantastic. It's so comfortable, and the road noise is not noticeable at all. Now, as I'm getting off this exit, the hands-free will go away, but then when it detects the lane again, I can turn the lane centering on certain roads. Now for the price point, I think $115,000 is pretty fair for this. Again, this having the touring package is it's really nice. It's very luxurious. This is something that you could definitely chauffeur people around in, and they'll be pretty excited about it, I think. But the Escalade just looks the part, and I think that's what a lot of people miss when you're comparing it to the Navigator, the Grand Wagoneer, even to, let's say, a Benz GLS. The Escalade and the Escalade ESV looks the part in terms of an executive SUV, like a boss's vehicle. Whether you're driving it, whether you're being driven around in it, the space is good, the luxury amenities are good again, and it feels like a six-figure vehicle. It feels like a millionaire's SUV. And you don't necessarily have to be a millionaire to afford to pay for one of these, but it gives you that look, it gives you that feel. And that's why a lot of people get these. That's why they sell so well. Because if you see somebody pulling up in one of these, you know they mean business. So real estate agents like having them. Again, if you're driving for a transport company or whatever, in terms of just chauffeuring people, picking people up, Uber Black, all of that, this is what these are good for. But also, if you just need something for the kids to take trips in and you want to have the nicest thing possible, this is a good thing to do that in as well. But it's just so luxurious. Again, the touring package is, I don't want to say a must-have, but if you can afford it, you must have it, because it is nice. It is one of those things that people see and they're like, oh wow, your car can do that. And it's pretty nice. It's almost like a party trick with Teslas, being able to open and shut the doors without having to pull on them or push them closed. And then, like, even the heads-up display, having the augmented reality camera there. You have heated, cooled seats, heated seats in the second row. You start adding everything up, $115,000, not really that bad in today's economy. Still expensive, but not a complete ripoff in my opinion. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Cadillac Escalade ESV Luxury.